Hey, what's going on, you guys? It is Professor NFT here. I'm back, you guys. Sorry I haven't been here for a while. I was just out sick with the flu, but I am back now. So before we get started, this is not financial advice, and you should always do your own research. All right, so I know I missed a ton of stuff, you guys. Bohemia actually came out. I did a video on them. Floor price is looking real nice. If you did hold, good for you. I know when they did release, a lot of people were paper handing this project, but if you did hold, good for you. Floor price is looking nice. Next project is Guild Saga. So I'm real surprised about this project. It is below mint level, mint price. It is at 1.2. Mint price was around 1.5. I think it's just because their demo didn't release yet. But once their demo releases, or even if the game releases as well, this floor price should go up. And then we also have Lucky Cat Society, which I'm kind of disappointed in. You see, there's not even that much volume in this project. And every time you want to look at projects, you want to see how their volume is consistent. So Guild Saga, I'm actually going to buy in if it goes below 1 SOL. And the activity in this project looks nice. It's always consistent. That's what you want to look at, you guys. All right, so tomorrow, the 28th, maybe it's already the 20th wherever you are, but tomorrow Magnum AI releases. I did a whole video on this, super bullish on this, you guys. The founder's actually doxed. He actually posts video of himself in the Discord and everything. So I do have one upcoming project releasing tomorrow, which I think it is a sleeper. It is Soul Reapers. Okay, so it's 2,222 Soul Reapers. Here you see their tokenomics. And right now I'm going to let you guys know why I feel bullish on this project. So phase one, they're going to launch their social media, whitelist 2,222 members. Phase two, secondary market listing. Phase three, DAO creation with alpha channels and tools, and 75% of secondary marketplace royalties sent to community DAO. Yes, it doesn't look like that much info. The website does look kind of, sus, but let's go ahead and hop in their Discord here. One thing that made me bullish in this project is the amount of blue chips in this project. Second was, of course, he is Board King. He's probably going to be in charge of staking. He's one of the developers in this project. Whenever I see Board King, it's usually a good project. He was one of the persons that derugged Senshi Samurais. I don't know if you guys remember. He was one of the persons that derugged Senshi the first time. The second time, he just let it go. And some announcements. I guess this is the owner. People were kind of funding this project just because the owners weren't doxing themselves, but they did go through a doxing. They did dox themselves through electrons, but I kind of know some of the devs here, so I don't see them pulling a rug at all, you guys. Just look at the amount of blue chips into this project. Price is at 1.55. And another thing you look at is that famous Fox token. So they actually released the token address. Let's go ahead. I'll go with you guys here to look it up. Give me a moment and I'll pull that up right now. All right, so we are in famousfoxes.com where you could buy a whitelist token. So tokens are at 0.5 right now. I feel like the price is still going to go up, you guys. So if you guys do decide to mint this, do it fast. Hopefully, you guys see this video fast. But just let's look at the sales history here. We saw the floor price on there was 0.5. So let's check what whitelist tokens have been selling, and you see they're all been above 0.4. So that is a good sign of project that might succeed. So go ahead, you guys, check them out. Like I said, the team is a solid group of individuals. Go ahead, check them out. And that's all for you. Sorry, this was a short video. It just, I'm still sick, you guys. But March is coming and I have huge projects for you guys to look into. You guys have a great one and I'm out. Peace.